I'm going to be calling Malwarebytes tech support. Of course, this is a Malwarebyte tech support scam. Now, I'm going to, as you can see, I have Malwarebytes open. I do not have a problem with Malwarebytes, but I'm going to make up a problem. And maybe an error code, error 5. I don't know what it means. I'm just going to make something up and see if they can fix it without using the tree command, netstat, event viewer, or the services.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
It's better. Okay, so please tell me what is each and everything once again.
Oh, okay. Now, my grandson installed Malwarebytes on here. Now, yesterday, I went to click on it, and it came up with an error. It said error 5. I don't know what that means.
Okay.
Now, I tried it again. The thing of it is, I did. It happened a couple times, and I clicked on it maybe the third time, and then it worked. And what's happening is it alternates. Sometimes it won't work. It will give me an error, and then it will work.
Okay. So are you in front of your computer right now?
Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. You need to go ahead and you need to look at the computer keyboard.
Okay.
You need to press that Windows key and the letter R at that same time.
The Windows key. Now bear with me. I'm not that.
You need to look at the computer keyboard first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So under that keyboard, do you see any Windows key? It looked like a 4 flag.
Oh, yeah. I see that. I didn't know what that was.
Yeah, you need to press that Windows key and the letter R. All right. So now just leave your mouse. Leave your mouse. Okay. So first of all, let me just go ahead and check here. Can you just? I think you're still using your mouse.
No.
No?
No, I'm not touching it. It's kind of blinking. It's kind of blinking.
Your computer's not doing anything.
Yeah, I never seen it. It's doing it's kind of blinking. Okay, there you go. Okay, now it's moving.
Now it's moving. Okay. So now just leave your mouse here. Okay.
Okay.
So let me just go ahead and check here. All right. So just hold on. All right. So that's your Malwarebyte, but it's not compatible for your computer window. No, you no need to use your mouse, sir. Leave your mouse.
No. You said it's not compatible. This is Windows 10. Yes. My grandson put Windows 10.
I think you're still using your mouse.
No, I'm not touching it.
You're still using your mouse. Okay.
No, I wasn't touching it.
So you can see compatible for run this program in compatibility for Windows 8, and you are using Windows 10. Can you see that?
Yeah. This is supposed to be compatible with Windows 10.
But let me tell you right now, it's been compromised. Okay. So right here, your account, which is still you are using your mouse, sir.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not touching my mouse.
But
I got my cat up. My cat's up on the desk, and he may be. Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So this is the first reason. Okay. So and secondly, let me just go ahead and show you here. And since how long you are using this computer, sir?
Oh, I don't know. My grandson gave me this computer. I don't remember how long it's been now. I really don't know.
All right, because I'm going to check here, and then I will let you know. And as I can see, something is wrong. Everything is disabled here. Can you see that? Lots of things is suspended. Yeah. Can you see that suspended?
Yeah.
And these are all disabled.
That causing is that causing a problem?
Yes, that is causing a problem, and I think this computer is being compromised. Do you have any idea what does that mean?
No, I have no idea.
Let me show you. Do you know what it is? This CSRSS.exe. Do you have any idea about that?
No, I have no idea.
Okay, so let me show you what it is, and after that, everything you will see by your own eyes. Okay. So just wait, hold on. Let me just go ahead and show you right here.
He opens up Task Manager and clicks on the Detail tab and shows me the CSRSS, which stands for Client Server Runtime Subsystem. Wants me to believe that it's infected. This is just another one of their scamming ploys they use to trick you into thinking there's something wrong with your computer. Now, he'll take me to a website and only show me what he wants me to see.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, your voice is coming up sometime not. Your name is Bob, right?
Bob, yeah.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you something here so that you can see. Can you read this on internet right now? This one. This one.
Yeah, it says,
what is CSSR doing on my computer?
CSRSS.exe doing on my computer is a process which is registered as a Trojan. The Trojan allows hackers to access your computer from remote location, stealing passwords, internet banking, and
so I just gave you that information, okay?
Yeah.
I showed you that, okay?
Yeah.
So now let me show you. You can see here now, just wait, let me show you this. Are you still using someone's mouse?
No.
No? Because right now, externally, your computer is working fine, but internally, not. This computer is being hacked, even you are not aware about that. Okay?
It's hacked?
So it says that
what do you mean it's
frozen? Yes.
What do you mean it's hacked?
That means someone already compromised this. Can you see this here?
Yeah.
What is CSSR doing?
Just
warning CSSR considered to should be removed, right?
That should be removed?
Yes, it says. And let me tell you, I can show you that pictures who did this. Okay? So you can see here now. Just wait. Can you see this now?
Yeah.
This is the person who hacked this computer. Yeah, this is the person who hacked this computer. Can you see that?
Yeah. How did
this person?
Why was he going to hack my computer for? There's nothing on this computer for him to hack.
Yeah, because maybe they want your information. Okay, they want your information. They want your privacy. That's the reason.
There's nothing. The thing of it is, there's nothing on this computer that be of interest to him.
They don't know. Okay, so anyhow, you need to block that person. Otherwise, they can damage your whole computer. And they can misuse your, and let me tell you, your IP also infected.
What's been infected?
Your IP, your network.
What's that?
Look at this. Even it's not going to do anything. What's going on?
I have no idea. I didn't even know what this is. I've never seen it before. I don't know.
Sir, right now, everything is being compromised here, okay?
It says to work with subscriptions, Windows Event Collector. Service must be running. So can you
click on no? No. Click on no. Click on no. Yes.
Oh, okay.
All right. So let me tell you, as soon as possible, click on no again.
Huh. Okay.
All right. So leave your mouse now. Leave your mouse. After that, oh no, it's not. Can you just close the whole thing?
Close
Let me tell you, sir, it's been hacked. Yeah, close this whole page. Let me tell you, you need to install a software that is called Anti-Hacking Tools and Network Security.
Now, right now, what you're saying is that I've been hacked is causing this problem here?
Yes. So because you can see that there are lots of softwares disabled. So right now, all of your security is not working anymore. So anyhow, you need.
Hello? You there?
Then everything is gonna work fine. Yes.
You're breaking up.
Your entire network first, okay? And after that, you need to install.
What's about the entire network?
You need to clean up. Let me write it down. Clean up network and computer, okay? And install anti-hacking tools and network security. Just leave your mouse.
I'm not touching anything.
Okay, so let me tell you here, you need to clean up your entire network, and after that you need to install anti-hacking tools and network security.
What kind of anti-hacking tool?
Sir, it's like your IP security, network security. I'm writing here. IP security. Right now you do not have any security.
Now you mentioned before IP. I heard that before. What was the deal with my IP?
So someone already hacked. Like this is a IP. Every computer
I don't understand.
Explain
that. I don't understand. IP is hacked. What's the IP?
So let me tell you. Every computer and the internet user has a IP, a certain IP. Okay. And right now you do not have that.
Wait a minute. I don't have IP.
IP.
I don't understand. You said I don't have an IP?
That security first.
Why do I need an IP? Okay, well, I might Google that later on. Go ahead.
Well, let me. It stands for Internet Protocol.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So IT. So you need to install that.
Did you say it was infected? The IP? Didn't you say it was infected?
Yes. Yes, it's infected. You need some kind of security, network security, and do you use the phone? You need a phone security as well. So now you want me to go ahead and do that, or you will take care of it by yourself?
How much is it going? Is it going to cost me? I'm sure it will.
Yeah, let me tell you that it has two different securities. If you want a permanent solution, so let me tell you, we have two options for that. One is for 2-year security, and 2-year security it will cost you this, and there is a 5-year security, and it will cost you this. Let me tell you, if you will install that security, after that you never ever need any security. And let me tell you, if you will not gonna do that, after a few days later, your computer, it won't work. It will not gonna work.
Wait,
your computer, it will be damaged.
You say my computer will quit working?
It will, yeah, it will not gonna work after that. If you're not gonna do this anti-hacking tools, if you're not gonna do that, your computer, it will be, it will not gonna work after that.
Oh, okay.
Few days later.
Yeah, hang on. There's something I watched what you did here. Hang on here a minute. You clicked on the properties.
So right now, I told you someone
clicked on what was that you clicked on? Compatibility. Let's see. Run Windows.
Yeah, right now we can do that. Look at this.
Yeah, Service Pack 1, Windows Vista, Windows 8. This doesn't mean anything. You can throw that compatibility out the window. Okay, it's just a scam tactic that you're using on me. And when you used Event Viewer.
So you want me to block that person? You want me to fix this, or what do you want me to do?
Okay, when you use Event Viewer, you seem to be having a problem here. Okay.
Yeah, it's not working anything.
Oh, it's working all right. Here, let me show you. Maybe you can. I think this is what you wanted to do. Okay, it's working. These are all what I take it. These are viruses.
Viruses?
Yeah, these viruses. That's what would you had the Event Viewer up.
That one.
What did you want to show me?
No, it's not opening right now.
Well, it's opening for me now. Right here. Hang on a minute. Oh, there. Yeah, it's not opening now. Okay.
Yeah, it was different things.
Okay. Now the the CSRSS. This is a client service runtime subsystem. That's normal. It needs to be running at all times. You don't want to remove that. Malware at one time probably did masquerade as the system service runtime subsystem, but the CSRSS, but it doesn't anymore. It's just a scam tactic that scammers use to trick people into thinking something wrong with your computer. And also IP address infected. Now, which IP, static or dynamic?
So are you a technical person, or
no? I just know a lot about computers. You cannot infect an IP address.
So if you know each and everything, so you're not supposed to call here because you know everything.
The reason I called, I know you were a scammer. I just wanted to see how far this would go.
See,
and what you did was use the classic scamming ploys that you scammers use to try to trick people into thinking something wrong with your computer.
I'm not telling you to pay here or anything. I'm not telling you to pay here.
Okay, I tell you what, I have Event Viewer up. Show me what you were going to show me.
It's not coming up.
It is.
It's not coming up right now.
Here. You want to use the Windows? Right here, Applications, Security, System, Administrative Events. Normally, actually, you scammers say these are viruses. But they're not viruses. Every computer has errors and warnings. You can buy a brand spanking new computer, bring it home, it's going to have errors and warnings. You can do a clean install of a computer. It's going to have a handful of errors and warnings.
Sir, even maybe a critical or two. So
I'm recording this to expose you as to what you are. I found this on YouTube. There's about a few of these, not as much as they used to be on YouTube. As a matter of fact, here. Oh, this is nothing more than a scam. Hello? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm just going to, let's see what he does. Hello? You there? Hello? Scammer? Hello? He hung up on me. Now, don't go anywhere as of yet. I want to go over the CSRSS.exe in Task Manager, and also the website that he showed me. I want to show you actually what that website is about. Now the CSR, he told me the CSRSS.exe was malware. Well, in this case it's not. That's just one of their scamming ploys. Now the malware can masquerade as a CSRSS.exe and of course some other processes as well. But in this case it's not. Now I'm going to show you how to determine the true from the false CSRSS.exe. Now, on Windows 7, you'll have on the bottom left. Now, I have two CSRSS.exe. Now, if you have one, you should at least have one. You better have one. But you had two, that's okay. Now, on Windows 7, the lower left, it says Show Processes for All Users. Now, if you put a check mark in there, you should only see one. Now, if you see two, one of them doesn't belong. You want to check into it. Now, I want to tell you how to do it the easy way. Now, I have hand trimmers there, essential trimmers, so my trimmers are acting up a little bit. Right click, I'm going to click Open File Location. Now, up at the top, it says Windows System 32. Now, this is where you should find the true CSRSS.exe. I want you to remember that, System 32. Now, another way is, let's right click. Now, I'm not going to do it with the second one because I know that one's okay. Another way of doing it is right click and click on Properties. Now, up at the top, you click the Details tab, if it has one. Now, if it doesn't have one, I'll talk about that in a little bit. Detail tab. Now, you can see it has a lot of information there. File description type, file version, product name, and so forth. Now, copyright, Microsoft. Microsoft, very important here, Microsoft Corporation. Now, if it were malware masquerading as a CSRSS.exe, there'll be one or two different scenarios. Now, one, you may not even see a Details tab. Now, if it was a Details tab, you will not see really any information. In 1 or 2 lines, it'd be virtually blank, and you would actually see nothing. That would be the false CSR.exe. Now to the website that he showed me, process library. He brought up the CSRSS.exe. Now, what is the CSRSS.exe doing on my computer? Now, he had me read CSRSS.exe is a process which is registered as a Trojan. Now, this Trojan allows hackers to access your computer from remote locations, and so forth and so forth. I'm going to go down a little bit further. Now, I want to. He didn't show this part, but I want to bring this up. Now, the CSRSS.exe is an executable file on your computer's hard drive. This file contains machine code. If you start the software, Trojan w32.beagle. Trojan32.beagle on your PC. The command contained in the scrss.exe will be executed on your PC. For this purpose, the file is loaded into the main memory, RAM, and runs there as the Trojan.w.32 beagle. We'll be coming back at it a little bit later. Process, also called a task. Now, he goes down to, is the CSSR.exe harmful? Warning, the CSRSS exe is considered to be a dangerous process and should be removed. Now, if I was a novice computer user, inexperienced computer user, I'd fall for this and believe it. Yeah, it had to be removed. Going a little bit further, the CSRSS.exe was found in the folder. Let me try this again. In the folder. Now, the folder was C Windows. Now, this is a false. Remember, I told you that the true was found in the C Windows System 32. I'm going back to the top. Now, what I'm reading here is giving the true CSRSS.exe a bad rap. Now, I'm going to go to the top. Now, this is what it's all about. This pertains to the Trojan.w32.beagle. I think that might be a rootkit. Okay, application using this process is the same, Trojan.w32.beagle. Now, file location, see Windows. False, CSRSS.exe. Not the true one, this is a false. True would be Windows System 32. Now, it says recommended. Check your computer for CSRSS viruses. Now, I'm gonna see what comes up. Malwarebytes. Now, this is the official Malwarebytes website. Now, this scammer remoted into my computer. He didn't even activate Malwarebytes. He just went right for the scam. Now, so this concludes this video. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.